Subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Hey, creatives! I hope everyone is safe and having a wonderful day. I told you guys that I was redoing the bathroom in this room. Not only do I need to finish up in the bathroom because it's done, I just need to put it together, but I also need to do something to this room. Now, this room is my husband, is where he sleeps most of the time. So it's kind of all over the place, but we're gonna straighten it up and get it ready like the rest of my home. So if you guys wanna see how this room turns out and also the bathroom, make sure you follow along. So I'm gonna flip my camera and let you see what the room is looking like now. Here is the room. I've already peeled back all the linen and washed it this morning. I just need to tidy up. He has stuff sitting everywhere, so we just need to clean up the space. Look at the TV with all of those fingerprints. I need to clean that. This generally is my office space where I do most of my crafting. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. All my crafting I do in this little area here. But he kind of has taken over that, so I'm gonna clean out this area. Actually, I'm thinking about in the near future to give this space back and make it a closet. Maybe he'll have a place to put some of his stuff. So I'm gonna clean it up. You see the little vacuum is still here from before. And I'm gonna take you guys and show you all the bathroom. I'll also link the video to what we did in the bathroom below. But here we go. This is the bathroom. It is ready. He is taking a shower in it already, or we are. Let me turn on the light. I'll turn on that light, turn off this light. So I wallpapered this wall. I put this backsplash on. This is the same towel that I used on my fireplace upstairs. We put up a new mirror here. And I also painted this bookcase. Only because he went and purchased the blue vanity. So with that being said, we have a new drain here for the inside of the shower, and we're going to change the shower head and the faucet, but we have to order it and it hasn't quite come. We still have a few things to do, like I want to put molding around here. I'm still missing some trim around here on the floor. Just a few things we're still missing, but the room is definitely good enough for someone to come and enjoy, and for him to go ahead. There's the second light, which is the ceiling fan. I did turn that off. So you know I painted the ceiling, I painted all the walls. We put in, again, this new cabinet, the new faucet, vanity, and also just put the toilet back. So now I just want to dress up the room. Oh, and he finally got the shower door installed, which now it needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna clean that and make this room beautiful again for the holidays. I am expecting my son with his fiance and child and my daughter for Christmas. So let's go ahead and get this done. We're in the winter season, so I'm pulling out the heavy comforter to go on the bed. I will be putting the purple quilt back on the bed to keep that rich, beautiful purple in the room. I'll use a squeegee to clean the glass doors. This will make it easier and leave less streaks. And I'll also leave it hanging inside the shower so that we can squeegee it every time we use the shower. So I scrubbed the shower. My phone rang, my sister called, I talked to her, and I just need to take the shower head down and clean the shower out, rinse the shower out. And because I was in the shower with my slippers on, I want to make sure that I get any shoe marks out of the bottom of the shower. Now that all the cleaning is done, I just wanted to add a few pieces of decor on the walls and add some rugs to the floor. Now this is the floor my husband and I laid, and I do have footage of that. Again, I'll link the first video in the description box below. Now these rugs I purchased with a matching shower curtain back in September, but I never got around to redoing the bathroom. I have a few more areas that I need to dust off in the room and sweep the floor, and we'll be ready for reveal. So if you guys want to see the complete look, make sure you keep watching, and I'll see you in a bit. The room is cleaned and refreshed. Everything is comfortable for my husband. I even cleaned up my little crafting station. The table is clean. Still need to organize the bins a little better, but I wanted the space clean and fresh for my husband. For those of you all who are tuning in for the first time, this bed was a dark mahogany, which I painted about 4 or 5 years ago. And I also did the tufting on the foot and the headboard. I did also make the valances for this room. The room is absolutely gorgeous, and I think my husband will enjoy having a clean space for tonight. Now this is the bathroom. We redid the entire bathroom on another video, which I'll link in the description box below. But this video, I just wanted to show you how I dressed the room. Now, I did have footage of me doing a lot of the work, but somehow it got deleted. But this is how it all turned out. I think it's absolutely nice. We did change the floor. We changed the shower door. We added the vanity and also the cabinet on the side. Now, there's a few things I still have to do in the room, but that will come a little later. We have to add the trim that is missing. Here I did wallpaper this wall on the side. Here's the trim that needs to be cut to fit around the shower and in the corner. But the room is done. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, the room is complete. Everything is clean and the bathroom is complete. If you guys have enjoyed this video and its content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you know when I upload new videos. I want to thank everyone for watching and have an amazing day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.